Have you ever thought you're skipping over an easy income stream just because it sounds too simple? What if the real passive income hack is hiding in plain sight and no one's talking about it? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over passive income hack no one talk about. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of passive income hacks that are often overlooked. But first, let's clarify what passive income really is. Simply put, passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement. It's the kind of income that allows you to earn while you sleep, travel, or enjoy your favorite hobbies. In today's fast-paced world, having multiple streams of income is more important than ever as it provides financial security and freedom. Now, you might be wondering why passive income is so significant. Well, it can help you achieve your financial goals faster, reduce stress, and give you the flexibility to pursue your passions. But here's the catch. Many people stick to the same old strategies, missing out on unique opportunities that could boost their earnings. In this video, we'll explore some unconventional passive income strategies that you may not have considered before. So, if you're ready to unlock new ways to make money effortlessly, stay tuned. You won't want to miss these innovative hacks that could change your financial future. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings generated with little to no ongoing effort, allowing you to make money while focusing on other pursuits. Unlike active income, which requires your direct involvement, like a traditional job where you trade time for money, passive income works for you even when you're not actively engaged. This distinction is crucial for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial independence. One of the most significant benefits of passive income is the financial freedom it can provide. Imagine having the ability to cover your living expenses without being tied to a 9-to-5 job. This flexibility allows you to pursue your passions, travel, or spend more time with loved ones, all while your income continues to flow in. However, there are common misconceptions about passive income. Many people believe it's a get-rich-quick scheme or that it requires no effort at all. In reality, building a sustainable passive income stream often requires initial hard work and investment. Understanding these nuances is essential for anyone looking to successfully navigate the world of passive income and reap its rewards. The overlooked hack: peer-to-peer lending. One of the lesser-known sources of passive income is peer-to-peer, P2P lending, a system that connects borrowers directly with individual lenders through online platforms. Instead of going through traditional banks, borrowers can request loans, while investors can fund these loans in exchange for interest payments. This innovative approach not only streamlines the lending process, but also opens up new opportunities for earning passive income. When you invest in P2P lending, the potential returns can be quite attractive, often ranging from 5% to 12% or more, depending on the risk profile of the borrower. However, it's essential to understand that with higher returns come higher risks. Borrowers may default on their loans, which could lead to losses for investors. Therefore, diversifying your investments across multiple loans can help mitigate this risk. Popular platforms like Lending Club and Prosper have made P2P lending accessible to everyday investors. These platforms provide tools to assess borrower credit worthiness and allow you to choose loans that align with your risk tolerance. By exploring P2P lending, you can tap into a unique passive income stream that many overlook. Creating digital products. Digital products are intangible goods that can be sold online, offering a fantastic opportunity for passive income. Unlike physical products, digital items require no inventory or shipping, making them cost-effective and easy to distribute. The advantages of creating digital products are numerous. They can be produced once and sold repeatedly, allowing you to earn money long after the initial effort. Some popular examples of digital products include ebooks, online courses, and printables. Ebooks can cover a wide range of topics from self-help to specialized skills, while online courses allow you to share your expertise in a structured format. Printables such as planners or art designs can be easily created and downloaded by customers, providing instant gratification. To sell your digital products, platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make the process seamless. Gumroad allows you to sell directly to consumers, while Teachable is perfect for hosting and selling online courses. Both platforms provide user-friendly interfaces and marketing tools to help you reach your audience. By creating and selling digital products, you can establish a sustainable passive income stream that continues to generate revenue over time. Investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. This means that when you invest in these stocks, you not only have the potential for capital appreciation, but also receive regular income, typically on a quarterly basis. This makes dividend stocks a reliable source of passive income, especially for those looking to build wealth over time. However, it's crucial to research companies before investing in their stocks. Not all dividend-paying companies are created equal, and understanding their financial health, business model, and dividend history can help you make informed decisions. Look for companies with a consistent track record of paying and increasing dividends, as this often indicates stability and growth potential. Some well-known dividend-paying stocks include Coca-Cola and Johnson & Johnson. Coca-Cola has a long history of dividend payments, making it a favorite among income-focused investors. Similarly, Johnson & Johnson is renowned for its reliable dividends and strong market presence. By investing in dividend stocks, you can create a steady income stream while benefiting from the long-term growth of these established companies. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is an innovative way to invest in real estate without the need to buy entire properties. This approach allows multiple investors to pool their money together to fund real estate projects, such as residential developments or commercial properties. By participating in crowdfunding, you can earn passive income through rental yields or profit sharing when the property is sold, all while enjoying the benefits of real estate investment. One of the key advantages of real estate crowdfunding is the potential for diversification. Instead of putting all your money into a single property, you can spread your investment across various projects and locations, reducing risk. Additionally, many crowdfunding platforms have lower investment thresholds, making it accessible for individuals who may not have the capital to invest in traditional real estate. Popular platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul offer a user-friendly experience for investors. Fundrise allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate projects, while Realty Mogul provides opportunities in both equity and debt investments. By exploring real estate crowdfunding, you can tap into a unique passive income stream that combines the benefits of real estate with the flexibility of modern investing. In conclusion, we explored several unique passive income strategies that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. We discussed peer-to-peer lending, where you can earn interest by funding loans, the creation of digital products, which allows you to sell ebooks, online courses, and printables, investing in dividend stocks for reliable income, and real estate crowdfunding, an innovative way to invest in properties with lower capital requirements. Each of these strategies offers distinct advantages and the potential for diversification, making it essential to explore various income streams to enhance your financial portfolio. By diversifying your investments, you can mitigate risks and increase your chances of long-term success. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on passive income and financial strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your interests. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.